Yes, so last time we started with different types of memories. So we saw that there are three types of memory present in any device. It is RAM, then we have seen hard disk, and then we have seen cache memory. So RAM is what? RAM is a memory which is storing all the data which the computer executes recently. तो अगर कंप्यूटर को कुछ रन करना है, so that will go inside RAM. So if now right now you're watching Microsoft Teams, so Teams कहाँ पर है? तुम्हारे फोन के RAM के अंदर. If you're working in the laptop, so this Teams is running right now inside your RAM. So whatever you want to execute, whatever you want to run, that program will go inside RAM. Now what is hard disk? Hard disk is also known as secondary memory. So hard disk is like a storage device. So whatever things, whatever files you want to store, all that files will go inside hard disk. Okay? And then the last one was a cache memory. Now what is cache memory? Cache memory is a small memory which is very close to your processor. So something which is frequently needed. If you want to run some program very frequently, बार बार रन करना है किसी प्रोग्राम को, तो उसको हार्ड डिस्क से लेके आना will consume time. So what we will do, we will store that inside the cache memory so that that program could be accessed easily and very quickly. Okay, so these three memories we have covered. RAM, which is also known as main memory, second one hard disk, which is known as secondary memory, and the third one is cache memory. Yes, then we have seen the generation. So we started with the first generation. So first generation was a very primitive computer, very old computer, which was very large in size. Why the size of these computers larger? Can anyone just write down the reason why the large of these first generation computers was larger? Please write down in the chat box.
Because of vacuum tubes?
Yes. See the vacuum tubes? Those are tubes. So बहुत सारे 20,000, more than 20,000 vacuum tubes लगा के ये कंप्यूटर बनता था. So एक कंप्यूटर के अंदर 20,000 vacuum tubes. और ये ट्यूब्स का एक प्रॉब्लम था. इट यूज टू गेट बर्स्ट. थोड़ा भी सर्किट का इशू हो गया, ये ट्यूब्स बर्स्ट हो जाते थे. एंड देन अगेन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच. सो दिस वाज वेरी ओल्ड टाइप ऑफ जनरेशन. द ईयर वाज 1945 to 1955. You can see that person working on these computers. See the size of computer. वहाँ पे कहीं पे कीबोर्ड और स्क्रीन दिख रहा है क्या? नो कीबोर्ड, नो स्क्रीन. क्या करना है? You have to make use of language called as ones and zeros. So you have to enter all your data inside this computer using wires. तो वायर यूज करके तुमको अपना इनपुट देना है इस कंप्यूटर के अंदर. अभी कैसे इनपुट देते हो? यू क्लिक कीबोर्ड, यू क्लिक ऑन द कीबोर्ड एंड योर इनपुट इज गॉन. बट यहाँ पे नो कीबोर्ड, ओनली वायर्स एंड प्लग बोर्ड. ये जो तुमको स्क्रीन पे बोर्ड दिखाई दे रहा है, दैट बोर्ड इज योर प्लग बोर्ड. So whatever data you want to enter, you have to enter through this wire. Very difficult, isn't it? Yes? This machine was very old and very large in size and very difficult to operate. Operating system नाम का कोई चीज अभी तक इन्वेंट नहीं हुआ था. There was no operating system. कुछ भी करना है खुद से ही ones and zeros में टाइप करो और insert करो. So that was the problem. Let's move to the second generation. Yes, so second generation started in the year 1955 to 65. ये पूरा era, this entire era 1955 to 65 marks the second generation. Now second generation, as you can see on the screen, computers were larger in size but not as large as first generation. फर्स्ट जनरेशन में तो बहुत बड़े बड़े थे कंप्यूटर्स, बट थोड़ा साइज कम हो गया और अभी ऐसे टाइप के कंप्यूटर्स बनने लग गए. ये साइज कम क्यों हुआ? एनीबॉडी कैन राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स व्हाट वाज द रीजन?
ट्रांजिस्टर.
यस,
Vacuum tubes were replaced.
Yes, vacuum tubes got replaced by transistors. So vacuum tubes were giving lot of issues. They used to get burst. बार बार वो burst हो जाते थे and बार बार उसको replace करना was a big problem. So they thought of coming up with some new technology. So they came up with this transistor. तो you can see on the screen the transistor कैसे दिखता है. उसको 3 pins होते हैं. So ये ट्रांजिस्टर को कनेक्ट करके दे स्टार्टेड मेकिंग अ कंप्यूटर इन सेकेंड जनरेशन, जिसका साइज वाज ऑलमोस्ट द साइज ऑफ योर रूम. पूरे रूम के साइज के कंप्यूटर्स होते थे. ठीक है, अभी इसके फंक्शंस देखते हैं. व्हाट आर द फंक्शन? लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड एंड सी द फंक्शन. सो यहाँ पे whatever task you used to perform, that task was having a name. The name was job. So every task was given a name called as job. So yeah, in this computer only one job could be performed at a time. You can only perform one task at a time. And these computers were placed in big rooms, and these rooms were given air conditioner because they used to get heated up. So उसको cool करने के लिए air condition हर एक room में लगाना was very compulsory. Okay, and then if you want to perform some task, what you have to do, you have to run from one room to the other room. तो एक रूम में उसका प्रोसेसिंग होगा, दूसरे रूम में इनपुट जाएगा, तीसरे रूम में आउटपुट आएगा. So like this the operator used to run from one room to the other room just to do simple calculation. Okay, am I clear with this thing?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Let's go to the next slide. So we will understand what used to happen. So a person, operator, who want to calculate a simple program. Suppose if you want to do 2 plus 2 in the computer of second generation. So what you have to do, you have to write down that 2 plus 2 का code in a piece of a paper. वो piece of a paper लेके जाओ दूसरे रूम में, उसको पंच करो. There used to be a machine. That machine was known as punch card. So उसमें पंचिंग करके तुमको वो कोड एक पंच कार्ड के ऊपर प्रिंट करना पड़ता था. Then take that punch card in the other room and then insert it in that machine and get it printed on a tape. फिर टेप को दूसरे रूम में लेके जाओ, वहाँ पे जाके उसका प्रोसेसिंग होता था. 2 plus 2 is 4. एंड देन दूसरे रूम में लेके जाओ, वहाँ पे उसका आउटपुट आता था. So this was such a lengthy process, and because of this, the person who was handling that computer, he was supposed to run from one room to the other room. So this was making the work very tedious. You will like running here and there for just a simple calculation. Will you be liking it? Yes students, तुमको बोला सिर्फ 2 plus 2 करो कैलकुलेट, और उसके लिए तुमको अलग अलग रूम में भागना पड़ा. You will not like it. Yes?
No.
Yes. So what they thought, let us come up with some solution. Yes. So they thought, let us come up with some solution. So what was the solution? The solution was batch system. Now what is batch? Batch means group. याद रखो, batch का मतलब होता है group. So what they started doing, they started making group of all the programs which you want to run. If you want to do 2 plus 2, उसको एक बना के रखो एक पेपर पे. देन सेकेंड पेपर पे 5 into 6. देन थर्ड पेपर पे some other program. So like this, make a group of all the functions which you want to perform, all the programs which you want to perform. और वो ग्रुप को लेके जाओ दूसरे रूम में, पंच इट. देन तीसरे रूम में लेके जाओ इनपुट. देन फोर्थ रूम में प्रोसेसिंग. देन फिफ्थ रूम में आउटपुट. So instead of running with single program, they started running with group of program. And that is why this was known as batch system. Is this batch system clear to everyone? Just write down in the chat box, batch system means what? What is the other name for batch? Batch means?
Repeat again, ma'am.
Batch means
system.
group. Please write down in the chat box,
Group.
batch means, yes, batch means group. So एक प्रोग्राम नहीं रन करना है, हम लोग को क्या करना है, सारे प्रोग्राम्स जमा करना है, कलेक्ट करना है, ग्रुप पे उसको लेके जाना है, and then you have to run. Okay, so we will understand this batch system with the help of this diagram which is coming on the screen. So what you can see on the screen, students write down in the chat box what is there in the screen. वो 1401 क्या है? 1401. What is this 1401 on the screen?
Computer.
It is responsible for input and print.
Input machine.
Yes. Now IBM, तुमको IBM कंपनी पता है ना? Yes, you don't know what is an IBM company? Yes, students? You know IBM? So IBM has launched its computer. So first computer was 1401. So this computer was not at all good at processing. It was only good at printing, copying and input and output. सिर्फ प्रिंट करता था, इनपुट लेता था एंड जस्ट आउटपुट. नो प्रोसेसिंग. प्रोसेसिंग मीन्स उसका एक्चुअल फंक्शन, कैलकुलेशन. So this machine was not good at calculation. So IBM has launched this machine called as 1401 only for taking input, output and copy purpose. So that operator used to get all the program, it used to insert in this machine. This machine used to print that entire code in a tape drive. ऊपर tape drive दिख रहा है? Can you see tape drive in this particular diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So operator ने सारे कोड लेके आया, मशीन के अंदर डाला, मशीन ने उसको टेप ड्राइव पे प्रिंट किया, लेकिन रिजल्ट नहीं आया है, सिर्फ प्रिंट हुआ है. ठीक है. रिजल्ट लाने के लिए यू हैव टू गो टू द नेक्स्ट रूम. अब यो टेप ड्राइव को पकड़ो और उसको दूसरे रूम में लेके जाओ. दूसरे रूम में कौन सा कंप्यूटर है? IBM 7094. So IBM company has also launched this second computer, that is 7094, which was good at calculation and performing numerical task. So यहाँ पे लेके जाके it used to insert that tape inside this machine and then the processing used to start. इसमें डाल दो वो टेप और जाके आराम से 2-3 बार कॉफी पी के आ जाओ 2-3 घंटे के बाद, and then the output used to get ready. ठीक है. यस. आउटपुट फिर रेडी हो जाएगा तो तुम्हारे हाथ में नहीं आएगा वो आउटपुट, वो टेप के अंदर ही है. फिर वो टेप को उठाओ, गो अगेन इन 1401 एंड वहां पे जाके उसको प्रिंट करो. सो दिस इज हाउ अ स्मॉल कैलकुलेशन यूज्ड टू टेक सो मच ऑफ टाइम. ग्रुप में पहले पूरा कोड लेके जाओ इन वन रूम, पुट इट इनसाइड टेप ड्राइव, पिक दैट टेप ड्राइव, गो टू द नेक्स्ट रूम, पुट इट इनसाइड 7094, वहां पे कैलकुलेशन होगा and then again come back to 1401 for printing. So this was the lengthy process. This process is known as batch system. Okay. This was the batch system of second generation. So here this 7094 was not having any operating system. In second generation there was one small program. That small program was working like an operating system. आजकल के जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, इट इज हैविंग लॉट ऑफ लाइन्स ऑफ कोड, बिग प्रोग्राम्स ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. But in second generation, they just wrote one small program and that small program was working like an operating system. Clear? Okay.